Before we shift your mindset, we must understand why it feels so natural to focus on what we lack. Your brain is not wired for happiness. It is wired for survival. For thousands of years, the human brain operated on a scarcity loop. To our ancestors, missing a single meal or being cast out of a tribe meant death. This created a negativity bias. Your amygdala is constantly scanning the horizon for threats, and in the modern world, your brain interprets a low bank balance or a missed opportunity as a threat to your very existence. The reason you feel stuck is often due to your Reticular Activating System, or RAS. This is the filter at the base of your brain that decides what information reaches your conscious mind. If you are programmed for survival and lack, your RAS will literally ignore opportunities for wealth because it is too busy looking for problems. To change your bank account, you must first change your filter. We do this through neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to physically reorganize itself by creating new neural pathways through repetitive, high-emotion thought. To bridge theory into practice, start spotting the win. Every time you pay a bill, thank the money for the service it provided. Every time you see someone else succeed, tell your brain, that is evidence that it is possible for me too. You are training your RAS to find abundance. You are moving from the reactive amygdala to the creative prefrontal cortex. The theory ends here. It is time to move from the head to the heart. Close your eyes, breathe deep, and get ready to immerse in the abundance frequency. I will guide you every minute. Minute 1. Focus on the space behind your eyes. As the frequency rises, imagine a heavy gray fog of survival mode leaving your body. With every exhale, you are releasing the ancestral weight of not enough. Feel your nervous system move from fight or flight into rest and receive. You are safe, you are open. Minute 2. Now, visualize golden threads of light weaving through your brain. These are your new neural pathways. Repeat internally. My mind is a magnet for prosperity. Feel the physical sensation of relief. You aren't chasing wealth anymore. You are vibrating at the same level as the things you desire. The match is inevitable. Minute 3. Expand your awareness beyond your body. See your life as a series of open doors. Opportunities are looking for you. Money is looking for you because of the value you hold. Imagine your bank account not just as a number, but as a moving current of energy, constantly flowing out to help and constantly rushing back in to replenish. Minute 4. Step into the version of you that already has it all. How do they walk? How do they breathe? Notice the lack of anxiety in its chest. That calm, quiet confidence is the wealth mindset. Hold that feeling. It is not a wish. It is a memory of a future that is already yours. Minute 5. In this final minute, let the frequency wash over you. Every cell in your body now recognizes abundance as your natural state. You are no longer wired for survival. You are wired for expansion. As you slowly begin to return to the room, carry this weightless, wealthy feeling with you. It is done. It is so. Time to wrap up. Gently bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. You are returning with a recalibrated mind and a regulated nervous system. The world has not changed, but you have, and therefore everything you see will now be filtered through the lens of opportunity. Carry this golden frequency into your day. You are ready